Alright, this is the new camera I just got, the Insta360 Ace Pro. Oh shit, I realized I can do a whole, just flip the camera around, doing a peace sign. It's gonna take a picture. Guess it took a picture. Whatever. So, let's set up this camera really quick, just to see how cool it is. Alright, it's propped up by itself, using the little screen, and I'm about to go to a baseball game. We're going to try out these, the Wylds. These are 1:1:1 with THC, CBG, and CBC. They're sativa enhanced. It's the new grapefruit gummies by Wyld. Let me give them a shot. You gotta love their packaging. I always love the Wyld packaging. I like taking it apart. I'm OCD about this type of stuff. I want to see exactly how it was made. Those are probably tessellated. You know what I'm saying, right? So, a little sugar to the eye. There's 10. We're going to take 3 because they're the trifectas. I'm going to go with this game. Holy shit.
Hello from
Holy
Waymo.
shit.
As we get going, just give us 1 minute to cover a few riding tips. This experience may feel...
So I'm in a Waymo right now. That's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. Just as weird as you would think it feels. This is the first time in a wireless car, in a driverless car. These people next to me are looking at me crazy. Oh, they're smiling now. Get a peace sign. Alright, so it's definitely one to take us somewhere where I don't think is the right way already. Feels awkward. But I think that might be because I'm already 30 milligrams in. And it's starting to kick in. Right when I was... That's what the anxiety was from. I was waiting for this motherfucking Waymo to show up. And I see it coming down the road, so I get out of the camera. And I try and get out the app while I'm doing the camera. And I don't look at the app, and I realize the app says unlock the door. So I'm trying to get in there without realizing that I need to hit unlock the door. So then I look at my phone, I see it says unlock, I unlock it, I get in. Then it wants me to start the ride already. It's like, just go. We'll see what happens. 3 edibles in. The Waymo just honked at somebody. I always get dropped off on like low-key spots. Oh my god. I don't know, it's... Sorry, man. Damn, so it's like completely stuck right now. Oh my god, I feel so bad for those people. I'm just walking away in the opposite direction because the Waymo is fucked. Holy shit. It's still there. I feel so bad. Oh my god.
See you tomorrow. Playboy.
Oh wow. So, oh my god. How high do I look? It's 7:04. I ate that shit at like 3:45. I'm just now coming down a little bit. That was great though. So I had 6 of those grapefruit wilds. Those things are amazing. I love them. Get some more. Woo! $60 milligrams was pretty good from the wilds. I'm still buzzing, and it's been like, I can't do math, 3 hours, pretty much, about 15 short of 3 hours. That's pretty awesome. Just now winding down, 3 hours, kind of spread it out a little bit. 60 milligrams, THC, CBD, CBG. THC, CBC, CBG. CBC is good for like inflammation and circulation. CBG is really good for anxiety. It's got like a calming effect like CBD, but it's got a little bit of like a slap happy feel to it. And it was a sativa enhanced wild. Normally I don't really fuck with the sativa, but this time I did. I would rather prefer like an indica more. Whenever I've done like the recover ones, those are more like on the hybrid one, like the Camino. When I do the hybrids of those, it's more like chill, goofy. This was kind of like, so here's what the thing was. There's a lot of milligrams, right? So I'm sitting there and I'm like on the edge. I'm in like row A. on the 3rd level, and that's like looking down, as you can see from the footage. It's pretty high up there, and I'm already scared of heights, so it was kind of funny. I was like freaking out for a second, but it worked out. I'm high as shit still, so I don't know. Maybe it's going on longer than I thought. Yeah, I haven't even smoked yet, by the way. I haven't smoked since this morning. So, if that gives you any idea, I've been pretty high for like 3 hours solid. So, and then the THC, 60 milligrams of THC on there too. So, nice healthy dose of a sativa enhanced edible by Wyld, the grapefruit gummies. 10 milligrams THC, 10 milligrams CBC, 10 milligrams of CBG per gummy on those. Pretty good. 3 hours ago. Still high as shit. I ate 3 hours ago. Then in the Waymo I had 1, and at the game I had 2. And at that point I was so high up there, looking down from the 3rd floor on that front row, like, what? And the Giants were so far ahead, I wanted to get out early before. Almost didn't make the Judah, but we made the Judah. Alright, I think I'm rambling on too much. I mean, that's a good indicator that the product's good if I won't shut up. So, I'm out. Now, again, Wylds are a good gummy. Get the grapefruit Wylds. Get them, for sure. Wherever you may. And, come down to the lounge.